What's up, Lunker League? So to start this off, I was watching a video on Bass University TV. If you haven't seen that, definitely you want to check them out. David Dudley, FLW pro bass champion. He's won a lot of money. He's one of the top earners of all time at this point, which means he cashes checks, which is one of the most important things at the end of the day when it comes to bass fishing. He catches bass efficiently and cashes those checks. So I checked him out on this video of color selection, and come to find out, he throws green pumpkin or watermelon red basically all the time. Of course, there's variations. There can be different flake that he uses, but comes down to green pumpkin all the time. So today I'm going to give that a shot. Normally I'm throwing a red or a purple or some other variation of a worm, but today I'm going to go ahead and stick with green pumpkin and see how that works for me today. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so I'm gonna go with this chatterbait here. I think this is a bright brim, a bold bluegill, but mainly it's got the whole green pumpkin look to it. It's about the closest thing I have in this weight for a green pumpkin, so we're gonna give that a go. Oh, hold on. There we go. All right. All right. There we go. Am I still on? Yeah. Woo, that was a nice little thump too. Straight in the roof of the mouth. Nice one. Yeah. All right, folks. He thumped that nice. I was wondering if I got down here far enough, if I was gonna run into one. Not bad. So take a look at that one there. Straight thumped it. Cool. Let's go ahead and get it back. It was a nice tan color. I was wondering, because as far as we can go is to these gates, so I was wondering if they're all hanging out back there away from the pressure. That was a nice thump. Oh, that was him. Oh, I blew it. Alright, in case you didn't see this catch, just want to go ahead and show you this one again. Real nice. My GoPro froze up on me, so I hope I got this. Ooh, nice one there. Put this down. Let's get this guy back. So this wind is down. out of the grass and got him. Yeah. Now where are you? Got you on the top there. Nice. Oh, beerbottle.com. Alright folks, I was just ripping that one out of the grass and so yank him on out. That's perfect, because yeah, I'll take that. They got my tail. I'm gonna have to come back and get me another tail on there, but all good. Let's get over here. All right, chatterbait on fire, y'all. All right, a lot of wind. You can see it hooked right in the roof of the mouth. Real nice. All right, let's get that out. Get it back. What's up, Lunker League? So the wind is terrible. I apologize for how it sounds. I managed to pull 3. I hope I got them all on film. I'm gonna have to check that later. I was trying to rock today with just the green pumpkin variations. Proved successful. Caught more fish today than I've caught in a little bit. In addition to that, actually missed a fish about twice. So kind of paid off. I'm going to keep trying to go on this trend, see where it takes me. Of course, when the conditions work with it. But according to David Dudley, any condition is the right condition, so save just a few. So gonna keep trying to work with this. I'm gonna see if I can get out to more spots. If not, stay tuned for the next one.